tempforums.com. Today I'm going to show you how to overclock your Nvdia GPU. There's a link over on 7 forums that I'll provide as shown here and also in the YouTube video where you can see this tutorial. Okay, the first things you can look at, I have some warnings, of course. You want to make sure that your Nvdia drivers are up to date, so go to the link provided. Now you're going to want to get whatever software you prefer. There's several of them out there. I provide links for GPU-Z and Speccy, very good temperature monitoring programs. Also, you're going to want to get, I use Firestone in this video, but you can use MSI Afterburner, Zotac, what I use, EVA or ASUS GPU Tweak. All of these are pretty much the same. It's up to you which one you want to use. Once you do install it, the first thing you're going to do is go and set up a fan curve, as I show here. By default, it'll be pretty much low, but as you're benchmarking and running things like that, you're going to want to amp it up just a little bit to maintain your temperature cooler. Some other settings you want to check is make sure you don't load it up at startup. That's a choice that you can have. But enable voltage control. Depending on your video card, some video cards allow overvolting, which helps with overclocking. Once again, that's up to you with what you use. Okay, here's the stock settings on the video card. This is the 760 that I use. I'm showing you this for comparison purposes. Okay, now when we do the overclock, I usually ramp it up in small steps. I went ahead and showed you the end result so that you don't have to sit through a whole bunch of tweaks going at it. It will vary depending on your card. So you're going to start out, like I say here, you want to make sure you start out in small increments of 13 megahertz or so, and a little bit higher each one on your GPU clock. Once you get there, then you're going to go to your memory clock, and then you're going to find a happy medium in between the both of them. Now, once again, I have a disclaimer here, this works for me, it might not work for you, each card will vary and be different. Another good step is you go to your Nvdia control panel. You'll find that in the control panel settings, click on your Nvdia control panel, and then set up some things that I set here. You can see these here and in the other tutorial. Some of the key things are the high performance. Set it for single display, use only one monitor when you're benchmarking, and set it for maximum performance. Okay, for this benchmark and this overclock, we use Heavan to check it. I will provide the link for this too. This is what it looks like. Here you can see examples from run first at stock mode, and then when I ran it with an overclock. You do get an improvement. Some games will get better performance when you overclock, and some games will not like your overclock, so you'll have to play that by ear with what works best for you. Once again, I want to remind you, always watch your temperatures. You'll have it here in the, as I use the Zotac, but you'll also have, if you use GPU-Z or Speccy, always check the temperatures of your card when you're overclocking it. It will throttle down and shut down if you overheat it. Another good thing is this is the same, like I said, on Afterburner, Zotac, Precision X. They all have profiles where you can load as you set your different settings, as you're figuring out the tweak that you want for your overclock. You can click on one of your profile buttons and save it. That way you can go back and try that again, preset, so to say.